Wasn't that such an awesome story? So, Dia de los Muertos is a day to celebrate and remember those that have passed with music, dancing, fun, love, and food. It is believed that the spirit of the dead visits their family on the last day of October, and they celebrate that. So it might sound a little silly to celebrate the Day of the Dead, but that's a day that we can remember them and have those beautiful memories of them. And so it's a big celebration in Mexico, Central and South America, and here, even in Texas and the United States, we celebrate this. They can prepare special foods, so maybe it's a food that was their favorite and they prepare that for them. So looking at this, look at these bright colors they talked about. And sometimes they paint their face. It's not meant to be scary, is it? It's meant to be a celebration. So does that story remind you of a movie maybe that you've seen? I kind of remember a movie. Let me go to it. Have you seen this movie? Coco. Coco is a story about the celebration of the death, right? Of the dead, the Day of the Dead. So if you've seen Coco, you remember that they had a big celebration. There was lots of music, lots of bright colors. They dressed up, right? So let's talk about some similarities and differences that we saw maybe in that story and that we think about Halloween. So we talked about Halloween on Monday and some similarities and differences that we might celebrate. So some similarities that I thought of, that means that they're kind of the same between Halloween and the Day of the Dead that they celebrate. They both are celebrations, right? They both have candy. I thought, hey, I get candy, and sometimes they talked about those sugar skulls that they eat. It's a day they get dressed up also. There is music. Sometimes there's scary music. Sometimes there's just beautiful music. It's their favorite music they're playing. And sometimes there's even graveyards that they talk about. All right, so some differences. This means that they're different. So I'm going to talk about the Day of the Dead. It's a celebration of the dead, right? It's a celebration that we remember our ancestors. Our ancestors are people that came long before us. They're part of our family, and that we're celebrating them, right? It's good to remember those. They talk about these bright, bright colors. So on the Day of the Dead, they have these bright colors that they wear. It's not meant to be scary, is it? It shouldn't be scary to us because it's a celebration. And they brought in their favorite foods. And so something about a little difference is we often don't have our favorite food on Halloween, but maybe for the Day of the Dead, we might have our favorite food we get to talk about. So do you guys have any questions? Any questions that you had? Maybe you can talk about what you saw in the story. I will give you a skull and you guys can decorate it. Remember bright colors because we are celebrating, right? We are remembering those that maybe we have lost. And maybe you guys can talk about one way that you might celebrate that at home. All right, I can't wait to hear from you. If you have any questions about this story, please let me know. Bye.